So hi guys, in this video we will going to learn that how to read, write and append content from files using the Python. Okay, so I have open an IDE for the shell, okay, Python, which is a version of 3.10.10. Okay, so first of all, for getting the file content we need to use with clause, okay, then the open method function, then here we need to mention the file path. Okay, for example I am mentioning the file path which I have created on the desktop. Okay, so for that I am getting here. Okay, so my file name is file.txt. Okay, so if you want to read the file, okay, so for that you need to give the flag with the R. Okay, so R means reading. Okay, so reading the file. So this is our file and this is the complete path of okay, this is the absolute path using which we are going to read the file. Okay, and this flag R means read. If you mention W, it will be for writing. Okay, it won't read the file. Okay, if you mention R only, it will only read the file. If you mention W, it will only write the file. And if you mention W plus, it will read, it will write and read the file also. And if you mention A here instead of R, it will append the content to the file. Okay, and here we need to mention a variable which will hold the value of this file. Okay, so we will mention here the file as F. Okay, or we can say that file. Okay, so this is what, so we have saved this path, this operation as file. Okay, so this is our file. And now what we will going to do, we will read the file content. Okay, so how we will read the file content, we just need to give the print and then file dot read method. Okay, so using this we can read the file content and we can simply enter the hit button. Okay, enter. So you can see that guys, we are having a guys, then international. Okay, so this is what we are having inside the file. Okay, now next, how to write in the file. Okay, so next we will going to use that how to write in the file. So again I will copy this, so we will perform the write operation on the same file. Okay, so you can see that for writing I have mentioned W. Okay, for writing I have mentioned W. So simply what we need to do, new content is equal to file dot write method. Okay, so inside this we will pass the string. Okay, so for example I'm mentioning India here. Okay, done. So we are done with this. Again we will use this for reading the file. Okay, so you can see that we only have India here. Okay, because we have used W. Instead of W we can use A. If we had use A here, so it would be like appending inside the file. Okay, so it would be like hey guys international, and at the end it will include the India, but we have just used writing operation. Okay, so I will, let me show you that what is the file content of the real file. So you can see that we are having only India here. Okay, so for example now if you want to append the content, okay, append the content to the file. For that again we will copy this, copy, then instead of this A, okay, I'm using plus. So A plus means it will append as well as it will avail the file for reading also. Okay, so we can read and append the file using the A plus flag. Okay, option, and then we need to mention the file. Done. So first of all we will append something, so for that you can use like, okay, appending equal to file dot write, again the same, and here we will mention Maharashtra, or you can see that for the new line I'm using slash n, then Maharashtra, right? Done. Now finally we will print the file. Okay, using this file dot read. So this has been done, but we are unable to read the file. Now we will use this and get the file content. So you can see that after appending, we are having India and Maharashtra, okay, inside the file. Let me show you the file again. So you can see here that we are having Maharashtra and India, okay, all together. So in this way, guys, we can read, write and append the file content to a file using Python. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.